How to watch, play or stream movies for free on Tubi TV streaming service app or website. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will show you the way on how you can watch movies or shows for absolutely free on the Tubi TV app. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now, in order to stream movies on Tubi TV, you first need to have created an account. If you don't know how to create an account, or if you haven't signed up for it before, you can watch our other video by tapping on the eye icon on the top right corner in order to learn how you can create or sign up for Tubi TV absolutely free. Once you've created an account, we're going to go ahead and then simply open up the Tubi TV app on our phone. Now, if you're on browser, you could simply access their website as well. I'm going to leave the link down in the description box. So once you go to Tubi TV app, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. In my case, I'm already logged into my account. You have a bunch of different genres such as comedy, you have action, you have horror, you have most popular, you have the continue watching section if you're signed in. Then you have to tap on the romance, and you have the family movies section, trailers and so on. So in order to watch a particular show, you have to simply tap on it and then tap on the button which says play movie right on this page. So as you tap on the play movie button, you can see we will be taken to this page in order to go ahead and then play that movie. As you can see, the movie is going to be successfully played. Now what you can do is you can simply come back, let's say for example, and let's say the show or the movie which you want is not on the screen. Well, in that case, you can also search for a particular movie. What you have to do is tap on the explore button at the bottom center of the screen. So tap on the explore button and you have some of the automated recommendations and so on. But if you want to search for a custom show, you can tap on the search box at the very top of the screen and you have some of the trending searches. Like in this case, you can see right over here. You could go ahead and then simply select any of these right over here and you'll be able to see a list of recommended results depending upon the keyword which you have typed in. And now you could go ahead and then simply watch or stream that particular movie by tapping on the play movie button which you see at the center of the screen. And this is how you can watch or play movies on Tubi TV for absolutely free. We hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.